So, we will continue our discussion on Savitri Veda, Max for New Age Mothers. So, we are looking at Leelavati earlier, and now we look discussion on zero. One of the main contribution of Indian mathematics to the world is zero, and we will see how Bhaskaracharya gives rules to deal with zero. Okay. So he gives rules, 8 rules concerning zero. Okay. If zero is added to a number, the result is the same number. The square, etc. The square root, cube root of zero is zero. Any non-zero number divided by zero is a Karara, infinite. The product of a number and the zero is zero. So if some mathematical collection, multiplication, division by zero are likely to occur frequently, then though the number multiplied by zero is zero. One should maintain the form of multiplicand and multiply by zero in the result of the operation until the final operation is reached. This is because if a number is multiplied by zero and divided by zero, then the result is the formal number. So here you see, if you combine both zero, multiplication and division by zero, how to handle it. Okay. So here see, 7 into 0 should not be written as 0 because 7 into 0 divided by 0 is 7. Okay, this is what this context also is discussed. That is 7 into 0 divided by 0 should be taken to 7. So it is not written inside. Okay, this is the main point. Similarly, if 0 is accepted in the number remains same. Okay, so we will see here. So here you all the a plus 0 equal to 0 for any a. 0 square root of 0, 0 cube root of 0 are all 0. For any non-zero number, a by 0 is infinite. A into 0 is 0. For all non-zero, a. See, the important point here, a into 0 by 0 is a. 0 is taken to be cut. Okay, this is one important point. Okay, actually now we'll see one interesting puzzles kind of thing here. You see here what he says that find, okay, this is a exercise, find 5 plus 0, 0 square, 0 cube, square root of 0, cube root of 0, and 0 into 5, third question. Fifth question is 10 up divided by 0, but the fifth question is the point. Question is like this: a certain number is multiplied by 0 added to half of the result. If the sum is obtained is first multiplied by 0, then divided by 0, the result is 63. Find the original number. So here you see the point. So we can see that 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 square, 0 cube, root of 0, cube root of 0 is 0, 0 into 5 is 0. 10 divided by 0 is 10 by 0 is infinite. Okay. But that's the main question. If the number, so what is the number? If you take the number x into 0 plus half x into 0 into 3 upon 0 equal to 63. So now what happens? If you retain the x, it is 9x divided by 2 into 0 by 0 equal to 63. So 0 by 0 is taken to be 1. So x equal to 40. So this answer Bhaskara. But in modern terminology, it is actually in limits. Okay, limit h tends to 0, x into h plus half x into h by h into 3 equal to 63. H and h will cut, so finally you get the value x equal to 40. So actually the whole concept of calculus was not developed by Bhaskara. It is unfortunate that the modern concept of limit in traditional language could not be understood properly even by traditional Indian as a concept. Actually, the later Kerala Max developed the concept of calculus. Okay, thank you.